Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Empty. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and we have 3 chords to get us through the introduction. The first chord is an F major 7, which is a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1 on the B, and an open E. I will talk about the strumming and the structure in just a moment, however let's get through the other 2 chords first, one of which is A minor. That is an open A, 2-2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and an open E. And the last shape that we need is a 3 on the A string to turn it into a C major chord from the A minor. So we'll go from there to there. So C major, 3 on the A, 2 on the G, open G, 1 on the B, open E. So what's going to happen is, when we strum it, we have 1 bar of F major 7, 1 bar of A minor, and 2 bars of C major. And every chord's going to be very lightly played, and each chord will get down, down, up, down, up. The C will get 2 lots of it. Now, after you've played through those chords once, that's the introduction. We then get into the first verse. That's when Sasha starts to properly sing, and we get the same chords 2 more times in a row. We then get to a pre-chorus where things change, there's some new chords, so it's worth mentioning that I've wrote out a chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match together. Well, head on over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases. So feel free to check that out. However, let's delve in with that pre-chorus, which does start off in the same way. We have F major 7 to A minor. We then have a bar of C major to C/B, which is this shape here. 2 on the A, 0, 0, 1, 0. We then have D7 to D minor. So there's 2 different types of D chord going on here. D7, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 1 on the B, 2 on the high E, to D minor, which is 0 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 1 on the high E. So I'm now going to play that full pre-chorus in one go so you can see how all of this fits together. We're now at the chorus, and the chorus is very similar to the introduction of the song, F, A minor, C, but there is one difference partway through. Let's break it down. So we start off by playing the usual chords, F to A minor, and 2 lots of C. Play that round twice. On the 3rd time round, it's almost repeated. F major 7, A minor, C, D minor. Then we finish it off with the usual chords, F to A minor, and 2 lots of C. You could basically think of it as 4 times around the usual set of chords, but on the 3rd time, a D minor squeaks in at the end. Now, looking over to the notes to see what comes up next, which is what's available on Patreon, there is a second verse, same as the chords of the introduction, same as the first verse. There's then a pre-chorus, same as the original pre-chorus. And then another chorus, same as the first chorus, if I can get my words out, it's been a long day. And then there's an outro, which is again the usual chords 2 times round. And if you get to that point, you've got yourself to the end of the song. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. I'm getting very, very close to 10,000 subscribers. Maybe this one will push it over. So thanks to you for watching. Also, thanks to the people floating by on the screen. Those are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they will get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them, and I'll catch you in the next one.